How you doing, everybody? Scott Jelinek here, and today I'm going to do a video for you on the ugly truth about buying a house wearing a face mask. All right, now I can breathe. So anyway, just before we get started, I want to let you know that I am not one of these people who are involved in this whole face mask shenanigans. I'm not for it at all. I don't believe in it. I've read enough studies to tell me that it's more dangerous to wear one than it is to not wear one. That's not why I'm here. I'm not trying to have a political or a medical debate with anybody, right? So we're not talking about whether or not you should wear face masks. I'm talking about you being a home buyer, increasing your odds to buy houses. So while we are dealing with this situation that we're dealing with, there are certain people who are like, oh my God, everybody's got to wear a mask, we're all going to die. And there's certain people, much like myself, that's like, no, I wouldn't wear a mask. But now, even in my state, it's mandated. So what do? So first and foremost, you need to remember one of the number one things I'm always teaching when you go on a buy call appointment about building rapport. And that's the easiest sentence in the world. It revolves in all sales, and that is people like people who are like themselves. So what does that mean to you? It means when I go on a buy call appointment, I show up with this stupid thing around my neck, just like this. I knock at the door, and I do not obviously have a face mask on. And I'll tell you why in a second. When they open the door, if they are wearing a face mask, the first thing I do is I pop it up, right? I pop it up, continue my conversation, go on my regular buy call appointment, but with this hot, sweaty, steamy thing over my face, all right? If they are not wearing a face mask, I continue on just like I am right now with this thing around my neck. So let me explain to you why I don't just walk up with it. People are the whole country's divided, and not just in politics, but everybody's divided on this whole virus thing as well. So let me tell you, if you're one of the people that think it's all nonsense, and a guy shows up with it on, your first thoughts about him are, oh, he's one of those. He's one of those guys. Conversely, if they're all masked up and gloved and all kinds of craziness, and then you show up like you never saw the news and you didn't know anything was going on, they're thinking, get him out of here. There's a germ. He's a big germ, right? So we try and meet right in the middle. People like people who are like themselves. So you want to be the same as they are. Meaning, when I show up, if they're in masks, I'm in masks. Sometimes it's from knocking at the door. Sometimes if it's a vacant house, like I'm in right now, I just bought this house, by the way. If it's a vacant house, they will pull up in their car, and I can see right away when they get out of the car. If they got a mask, I got a mask. They don't have a mask, I don't have a mask. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Don't think because you believe in it that everyone else believes in it, and don't think because you don't that everyone else don't. We're in business to make money. The only way we make money is by buying houses, and we buy houses by having 100% rapport with the seller, and that's how you're going to get your rapport. Don't think you're going to go in there and try and convince them that it's all a scam or convince them that it's all real. You're not going to get into anybody's head and change their mindset, so you just do whatever it is that they're doing. Hope this video helps you guys. Look forward to seeing you on the next one, and you have a fantastic day.